Students, this experiment determines the value of unknown weight of a given body. Here, W is the unknown weight, and we have to find out this unknown weight using the principle of moment. To find out this unknown weight, we are considering a known weight of 10 kgf. Here is the meter scale, which is fulcrum at 50 centimeter mark. For the first observation, we are keeping this W1 or 10 gf weight at a distance 10 centimeter from the fulcrum, which is at a distance 10 centimeter from one end, which is at a distance 40 centimeter from the fulcrum. Here is the table in which we are going to book our readings. In this table, serial number X means this distance in centimeter, Y means this distance in centimeter, and W equal to x1 W1 into x by Y. Because you can understand at equilibrium x into W1 equal to Y into W. So W equal to, you can write W1 into x by Y. So this is the unknown weight. Now let us start the experiment. The first observation, serial number 1, we are keeping the known weight of 10 gf at a distance 10 centimeter from left end. So at a distance 40 centimeter from the fulcrum. So this is 40 centimeter distance. Here you can see this is the known weight of 10 gram. 10 gram known weight. It is at a distance 40 centimeter from fulcrum and 10 centimeter from the left end. Now we will adjust this unknown weight. Suppose this unknown weight we are adjusting to make the scale horizontal. So I am trying to adjust it to make the scale horizontal. You have to adjust it in such a way that the scale should be almost horizontal. So it is almost horizontal, I guess. Little more adjustment needed. Little more adjustment needed. Now what is the reading here? 20.5. From fulcrum this reading is 20.5. So this is 20.5 centimeter. This reading is 20.5 centimeter. So W equal to, how to calculate? It is W1. W1 is 10 into X. X is 40 by Y. Y is equal to 20.5. When we calculate this, the value is coming 19.5 gf. 19.5 gf. So our first observation is over. You can say that unknown weight is approximately 19.5 gf. Now for second observation, we are going to shift this to a length of 15 centimeter. A length of 15 centimeter. It means from fulcrum this length will be 35 centimeter. Now let us shift it by 5 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter mark, and now you see equilibrium disturbed, so we have to adjust it. You have to do it carefully so that the scale should be horizontal. Now it is almost horizontal, and here the reading is this reading minus this reading, so it is coming 18.5. So this reading is 18.5 centimeter and this reading is 35 centimeter. Means distance between fulcrum and known weight is 35 centimeter. So this result 10 into 35 divided by 18.5. 10 into 35 divided by 18.5, so it is coming 18.9. 18.90. Now third observation we take. Third observation, this is for 30 centimeter. Third observation at 30 centimeter. So we are fixing it at 20. Now we have to adjust it. So this reading is coming 16 centimeter. This is coming 16.0 centimeter. So the result is 10 into 30 divided by 16. So 10 into 30 divided by 16, it is 18.7. 18.7 or 18.8 GF. So these three readings, if you see, they are nearly equal. So we can say that the weight of W, weight W is equal to sum of these three, that is 19.5 plus 18.9 plus 18.8 divided by 3 GF. So the result is coming, if you average it, its result is coming 19.0. So it is coming 19.0 GF, which is approximately the unknown weight. That is, the value of this unknown weight W is nearly equal to 19.0 GF.